Hello and welcome everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Job Science, and wishing you a very bright day and a very good day for you all, and hoping a bright and a brilliant future for you all. Once again, I'm here with you with all of the new jobs, and all of them are from Kuwait. And first of all, I want to show you my job list. My first job is required nurses in Kuwait, then instrumentation technicians and welders required, then offset printer wanted in Kuwait, and pool attendant helper required. Technician required in Kuwait, and kitchen helper wanted in Kuwait, customer care officer required, barista vacancy in Kuwait, social media coordinator job, delivery driver required, and cleaning supervisor vacancy. So we have today so many jobs and so many big and small jobs as well. And I'm hoping that there is something for you as well. There, the reason of your good future. I wish that the reason of your good future should be the job science. That is a message for you as well. Please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for all of the latest updates, and I want you to watch my video up to the end. I thank you all for this. And first of all, the very first job is required nurses in Kuwait. Required nurses, this is the place is for Vania, and they need some nurses. So urgent opening of nurses for a reputed medical services company. Location is Kuwait. Position home care nurses. The nurse needing in not in some medical company, but in some at some place, at some home, by the way. So qualification certified GNM BSc. So the valid nursing certification should be with you for this job. And nationality, any nationality, anyone can apply who has that GNM BSc, and experience minimum 1 year, salary based on your resume and your interview evaluation. So that means you have to go through a very vigorous sort of interview. And so let's prepare first of all. Other benefits: air ticket on leave and vacation with leave salary and indemnity, food, accommodation, transportation, and all other terms and conditions as per Kuwait labor law. So these benefits are all those benefits which are in the Kuwait labor law, and but you must have the experience at least 1 year. But nationality, there is flexibility for nationality. You can from any nationality. And on benefits, along with all those benefits which are mentioned in the Kuwait labor law, they are also giving you the air ticket on leave and vacations with leave salary. This is very, very good opportunity, by the way. And then staff will get basic salary if there is no work. Visa status candidates with 18 or 22. The visa should be 18 or 22. Transferable visa in Kuwait, this 18 and 22 transferable visa is very needy, and this is the reason of having a prestigious job over there. So it's a sort of the work permit and residence permit there. And if interested, please share your resume, and in case of any query, please contact. So this is by the way, it's it's a good thing, it's a good option. It's the way they were inquiring you, the way they were contacting you, and I'm appreciating the way they have requesting you to apply, that they have mentioned their email address, their phone number. Please share your CV and your resume and contact them for any other query regarding the job. So my next job is instrumentation technicians and welders required. Place is Shirk, a well reputed company in Kuwait looking for immediate deployment in Kuwait for the below positions. So they need four instrumentation technicians. Four instrumentation technicians and welder as well. And the competent with the welders should know fire and gas system, emergent gas suppression system, instrument cable glanding and termination continuity test, loop checking, troubleshooting, and merging. So this is those who are working as instrumentation technician or welders must know these terms. They know better than me, obviously, about all these different the aspects of the welding. Then transferable residence is a must and immediate joining. They want the person who can join them on an immediate base, and the person should have the transferable residency visa as well. And KOC gate pass holders are preferred. So those who have KOC gate passes must be preferred. And those who are interested, please share your CV, send your resumes on the following given email address. So if you are interested, share your CV and you can contact them for further queries on the following given email address. And then offset printer wanted in Kuwait. So offset printer technician wanted in Kuwait. The place is Farvania. They need fireproofing mason helper. And then Faha Heel. There is another place, Faha Heel. They too want urgently require the below mentioned masons, 10 masons, 10 electricians, and 15 helpers. But the visa should be 18. If you have 15 transferable visa, only in that case you can apply for this job. And there is so many vacancies. If you have nothing to do these days and you are doing nothing, by the way, and you are in search of some job, so it's a good opportunity. And you are, if you are living in Farvania or Fahahil, only in that case you can apply for these jobs: masons 10, electrician 10, and helper 15. So if you are interested and you want to do something, so there is an opportunity for you all. And you need to share your CV at the following given number, or you can call them for any other query. The next job is pool attendant helper required. Place is Markhab, and we are one of the leading swimming pool construction and water features company in Kuwait. So we are looking for pool attendants. So they need pool attendant and helpers. So attendants are needed or helpers are needed at pool. Salary is 150 KED, and plus 10 allowances are obviously there with the salary. Staff accommodation is there, means these are the other benefits along with the salary. Accommodation and transportation will be provided by the company. And residents will be transferred on the of the completion of the probation period, must join immediately. And you need to call them at between 9 to 5 p.m. If you have any query, you can call them. You can contact them through this number, share your CVs, and contact them if you want to ask anything regarding the job. And then next job is of technician required in Kuwait. Mahabula is the place. Only males can apply for this job. Salary is 175 KD. Free accommodation and free SIM local and internet would be provided by the company. Experience minimum 1 year. Education diploma or degree. Obviously, the technician who has going to earn 175 KED must have some experience, obviously, and the sort of degree is also needing for this job. And the age limit up to 32 years old. So the minimum range is 32 or less than that. Requirements for this job is immediate joining. The person who should be available for the immediate joining, and transferable visa 18. Communication would be good. Nationality only Indians can apply. Indian nationality is written, but this is not the meaning of this thing that no other nationality can apply. Anyone can apply for the job, but I think so. Indian nationality is preferable. Contact number, they didn't mention any contact number, by the way. Interested candidates can send your CV to the following given email address. If you are interested and you want to know any other details regarding the job, so call them and share your CV and contact them through this email address. Please don't call them as they didn't mention the number. So next is kitchen helper wanted in Kuwait. Kitchen helpers are needed now. Salary is 150. Nationality Indian, Nepalese, and Filipinos. So only these three nationalities can apply for this job. Salary is 150. 18 transferable visa. Full time job is full time, and but they didn't mention the hours for how much hours you have to work. So anyways, the person should be available for the immediate joining. They want the person for immediate joining, and they have mentioned their number. So share your CV at the following given email address. Then customer care officers needed in Kuwait. Place is Kuwait City. Job requirements: responding promptly to clients' inquiries, keeping records of clients' interactions, transactions, comments, and complaints. So this is one of the duty of the customer care officer. You need to respond to the clients, the complaints and any other issues regarding the customers. You have to respond promptly. And then you need to record all of these things like transactions, comments, and complaints. You must have the record as well for assuring not to repeat all of any of the mishaps. And then work requirements for the customer care work require minimum 2 years of experience in a similar role with experience in Zan and Orido company is a plus. If you have any experience in working in Zan and Orido company, then you would be preferred. So they have mentioned this thing. So ability to stay calm when clients are stressed or upset. So you need to be stay calm while the customer is in, having some any stressed condition. And strong and confident communicator and bilingual, the person should be able to speak bilingual, both English and Arabic. He must know to how to speak in Arabic as well. Customer care office required nationality. Arabs nationals can speak and understand Kuwaiti language. So this is the job for the Kuwaiti nationals, by the way. And salary is 350 to 400 KD. And visa type visa 18 transferable full time and can join immediately. Interested applicants may send applications to the following number. Share your CVs, share your details on the following number. And you want to contact if you want to contact to ask anything regarding this job, you can call them at any time because they didn't mention. So next job is barista vacancy in Kuwait. Promotes coffee consumption by educating the customers. So barista, along with his own job, he has to promote the coffee consumption by educating the customer. He need to teach them that coffee is good for them, and selling coffee and coffee grinding and brewing equipment, accessories, and supplies. So, along with the promotion, he has to sell all of the things regarding the coffee and preparing and serving. So, this is the actual job of a barista, preparing and serving a variety of coffee drinks. But along with your own duty, you need to promote the coffee consumption, and you also have to sell all of the materials regarding the coffee, like coffee selling, coffee grinding, brewing equipment selling, and accessories and supply selling as well. And you must have at least 3 years of experience in the same field. Kuwait City nationality is, the location of the job is Kuwait City, nationality Filipinos and Colombians, and gender is female. So only females are going to apply for this job. Salary is 300 to 350, 18 transferable visa. So this is the job. Barista vacancy job is for the females, and the nationality is Filipinos and Colombians, and transferable visa is needed. But salary is good, 300 to 350 KD, full time, ready to join. Interested applicants may send CV. So if you are interested and you want to do something and you are doing nothing these days, so you can apply. But the person should be able to join on an immediate base. Mention number, share your CV and contact them if you want to know anything regarding the job. Then social media coordinator job. So next is a very interesting job, by the way, social media coordinator. So once again, place is Kuwait City, nationality Kuwaiti and Lebanese. So this is once again the job for the Kuwaiti nationals. So no other nationality is encouraging, by the way. So Kuwaiti nationals and Lebanese are also encouraging. Salary is 450 to 500 KD. Visa is 18 transferable, full time and ready to join. The job is of full time nature, and I don't know why they are asking for visa then. And ready to join. Ready to join means the person should be able to join them immediately on an immediate base. And the job responsibility as far as social media coordinator is concerned, set, plan, and implement social media and communication campaigns and strategies. Provide engaging text, image, and video content for all social media and professional accounts. So you have to work for all of the social media regarding things, all belong to social media. You need to plan, you need to strategize, you need to make new videos, images for publishing all types of social media. Respond directly to customers through social media platform in a timely manner. You have to respond timely as well. Monitor, track, and evaluate the effectiveness of all social media activities. So you not only to publish, but you have to take care, you have to monitor, you have to track and evaluate as well the effectiveness of all the activities. research and analyze along with doing the existing tasks. You need to research to implement new and fascinating techniques, fascinating demographics and other things that affect the social media strategies, and provide client with information about new promotional opportunities and current PR campaigns progress. Then work experience, they want a person who must have 2 years minimum experience and bachelor's degree in business administration with a specialization in marketing or finance. So they need a person of the business administration and having marketing or finance experience as well, and design skills including graphics and web design preferred, proficient communication skills and ability to negotiate with the influencer as well. So if you are interested, share your CV. You have at least experience of 2 years and you have a degree of business administration as well. Share your CV and join them. And if you want to know any other thing, call them at the following given following given number. And then next job is delivery drivers required in Kuwait. So at least 1 year's experience is needed for this job, and nationality, Asian nationality. So anyone can apply for this job other than the Kuwait nationals. And then salary is 250 KD, visa type, visa 18 transferable, full time and ready to join. Interested applicants may send CV to the following number. So if you are interested, you want to do this job, you have no job these days, so you can apply for this job. You must have your driving license with you before application of this job. Next is cleaning supervisor vacancy in Kuwait. Then is of the job of cleaners, minimum 2 years of experience is needing in food and beverage industry. Indian nationals are acceptable, and salary is 180 KD with 18 transferable visa. Full time job. This is full time job, and the person should be able to join them on an immediate base. And interested applicants, please share your CVs at the following number so you can so they can shortlist and contact you as soon as possible for all of these jobs. Please call them or share your CVs or share your numbers, and you can contact them at any time with the given information. So that was my last job today, and I'm hoping there is something for you as well. And job science would be the reason of your happiness and of your good future. And we will meet again in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.